Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses in model GG0927O in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. On the frame are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a round shape. On its temple, you'll find the Gucci pattern, and you'll also find the Gucci logo in gold engraved. For both sides. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold. On its inner right temple, again, you'll find the Gucci logo that is made in Japan and the serial number. On its inner left temple, the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 49 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, a Gucci dust bag with the Gucci logo on it, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, and a Gucci envelope, which holds a Gucci authenticity card and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.